Another great resource when it comes to advising Austrian students in particular on opportunities to study in the US is the Austrian Database for Scholarships and Research Grants. To visit the website, type in www.grants.at in the search bar and then scroll down to the search field. Here you can select your country of origin and input your target country. You can also select the type of funding you are looking for, such as grants for a whole degree program or semester or one-year grants. You can also input your desired study level and discipline, or you can leave it blank to widen your search. The Austrian Database for Scholarships and Research Grants is Austria's biggest online database for scholarships and research grants for all academic areas. Once you have input your criteria, click on the Entries button to view relevant opportunities to support your study. If you like what you see and want to learn more, click on the respective scholarship to visit the description page. Scroll down and click on the link to visit the relevant webpage and get all of the details straight from the source. To access the full range of opportunities, scroll up and click on the back button to return to the full list of opportunities for further research. Give it a try, and thanks for watching.